It is said that porridge is the ultimate nourishment in the world of healing. In the rush of life, slowing down to brew a warm bowl is more than health, it is a sanctuary for the soul. If you often wake up with a dry mouth and struggle to sleep soundly, instead of relying on medicine, a bowl of this calming and warming porridge daily is all you need. Prepare glutinous rice, red dates, red beans, mung beans, and corn grits. Add water and simmer for 40 minutes to fully blend the essence of the ingredients. Glutinous rice and red dates nourish the blood and calm the spirit. Red beans and mung beans clear internal heat and detoxify the body, while corn grits are rich in fiber, protecting your digestion and aiding absorption. If your skin feels tight and flaky, your eyes are dry and itchy, and even your hair is frizzy and tangled, no matter how much water you drink, you still feel thirsty, this is actually a sign of jinyi, deep internal fluid deficiency. Try this apple and red date sago to hydrate your body from the inside out. Add diced apples and red dates into boiling water. Then stir in sago, which are chewy pearls made from tapioca starch. Cover and simmer for 30 minutes until the sago becomes transparent, large, and perfectly round. Apples moisten the lungs while red dates nourish the blood, effectively soothing internal dryness. Before serving, add some goji berries and a spoonful of brown sugar. A bowl of this in dry weather brings such deep comfort and hydration to the whole body. If you often feel heavy in your body or notice puffiness in your face, it's likely a sign of internal dampness. You must try this dampness clearing soup. I make it for my family every week to stay refreshed. Add winter melon, sticky barley, and rice into a pot with plenty of water. Winter melon clears heat, while barley dispels dampness, the perfect duo for reducing puffiness. Cover and simmer for 20 minutes, then form your pre-marinated minced meat into small balls and drop them in. Season with a pinch of salt and cook for another 10 minutes until done. The broth is crystal clear, fresh, and light without being greasy. It makes your body feel so much lighter and more comfortable. Give it a try today. Spring refreshment, green bean and apple sago dew. Many friends ask me, what is the most refreshing way to drink in the spring? Today, I'll share a simple recipe based on Chinese wisdom to help your body feel refreshed and hydrated. I recommend saving this video and sharing it with the friends you care about. First, dice the washed apples and set them aside. Add green beans and a proper amount of water into the pot and bring it to a boil. Then, add the diced apples and these tapioca sago pearls. These sago pearls cook up crystal clear, the secret behind many delicious dessert shops. Cover and simmer for 20 minutes until the sago is fully transparent and the soup thickens. Finally, add a piece of rock sugar and a handful of goji berries before serving. Green beans clear heat, apples moisten the lungs, and the sago is perfectly chewy. This spring, treat your family to this beautiful gift from nature. Spring awakening, sticky barley and yam porridge. If you often feel heavy in your body with a sticky mouth and a lack of appetite, try this bowl of sticky barley porridge. It's smooth, comforting, and deeply soothing. Yam is known as the treasure of the earth, easy to digest and perfect for strengthening the spleen. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, adding both vital nutrients and a wonderful savory depth to the porridge. Wash 40 g of sticky barley and 30 g of rice, then add them to your pot. Add pure water, bring it to a boil, then simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. This sticky barley is mild and gentle, making it the ideal choice for nourishing your body in spring. Then add the chopped yam, mushrooms, and carrots with a pinch of salt and cook for the final 10 minutes. Having a bowl in the morning clears away that heavy feeling, leaving you refreshed and full of spirit. With the simplest ingredients, give your digestion the gentlest care.